Income versus cash flow, the real reason you stay broke. If you think making more money will automatically fix your problems, think again. It's not how much you make that matters most. It's how your money flows. And if your cash flow is broken, your bank account will always stay empty, no matter how much you earn. Let's break this down real quick. Most people focus only on income. That's how much money you make. Your salary, your side hustle profits, even random cash gifts from family or friends. All that is income. And yes, income is important. But listen to me, income alone will not make you rich. Now let me introduce you to something more powerful, cash flow. Cash flow is not just money coming in. It's actually three things. Number one, money in. That's your income. Number two, money out. That's your expenses, bills, groceries, transport, data, everything. And number three, money leaks. Those are the hidden killers. Bank charges, automatic subscriptions you forgot about, impulse buying, all the small things that secretly drain you. Here's the truth nobody told you. You can earn 500K, 1 million, even 5 million every month, and still stay broke if your cash flow is a mess. Because more income doesn't fix bad money habits. It just makes your leaks bigger. That's why a salary increase doesn't always mean wealth increase. And it's also why people who hit jackpot money end up broke again in a few years. Wealthy people, they don't just focus on making money. They focus on directing money. Every single naira, dollar, pound, euro, or sati has a job. Some money covers their living. Some builds assets. Some gets reinvested to create even more income. That's cash flow mastery. That's how wealth is built, not by luck, but by design. So, what can you do today? Let me give you 2 quick fixes. Number 1, track your cash flow for the next 30 days. Write down every income, every expense, and look for your leaks, those silent money killers. Number 2, set a cash flow target. This is just a simple plan for your money. It could look like this: 70% for living expenses, 20% for investments, 10% for savings. Your own percentage can change, depending on your life right now. But the key is this: give your money a plan before it touches your hands. If this is making sense, hit that like button right now. And subscribe for more real-life money lessons they never teach you in school. See you in the next one. Let's fix your cash flow and fix your life.